Hey guys, here is a small snippet of an interview I did with Ezra Firestone where he's going to share some real knowledge bombs that you can apply to your business. So enjoy and make sure to check out the full episode if you like that in the link below.
Simplest sales funnel is video advertisement to product page. Two assets that you need to dial in. Create a compelling, well done, and this does not mean highly produced. My most successful videos right now are face-to-camera iPhone videos from my customers talking about why they love my products. But video ad to product listing that's optimized. I have a whole training we can link to it on how to optimize your product page on Shopify. And the best video ad formula I have right now is called Love Demo Love, or the testimonial sandwich. Face to camera customer testimonial, talking about why they love the product, the ownership benefit of the product, what the benefit is the product of owning the product is, why they like it, how it's changed their life, how it's affected them. Maybe 3 of those, 10 seconds each, then demonstration of the product in use, and then 3 to 5 more, 10, 15 seconds each. And that formula, Love Demo Love, testimonial sandwich, I'm spending literally $25,000 a day right now generating the lowest cost customer acquisition in the history of my business, which is 10 years old right now today, February 23rd, 2020, 24th, 2020. And that formula is working for all my mastermind members. So it's like high-end, compelling video ad creative. Of course, you want to run image ads and carousel ads, all this kind of stuff, but the 80-20 rule, you're going to get 80% of your success with video ads. So get good at that, get an optimized product page and start working on that. And I got a whole free training on like how to work on Facebook ads in the Shopify Academy. If you're not a Shopify customer, I'll post my link, sign up through me. That is the one thing. I was just telling Jeff, I'm not an affiliate of anything. I don't promote anyone's stuff. The only thing I do promote and have promoted from the beginning is Shopify, because I've been there, I've been on Team Shopify since day one. And anyways, sign up for Shopify. You get my courses for free in their academy that teach my Facebook ad strategy, including Love Demo Love, but I also teach you how I target, how I structure my campaigns, the whole thing. And so I would say, once you have your infrastructure of your store and all that set up, then you focus on what I teach in that Shopify Academy course, which is how to get visibility over your store. And take 10% of your money from Amazon and invest in that. Starve your ponies, feed your stallions. If Amazon is your stallion, it's a terrible analogy, by the way, but if Amazon is your stallion, feed that. Go deep there, launch more products there, double down on what's working, and then take 10, 15, 20% of that money and invest it in expansion, but not at the expense of what's working for you. Always do more of what's working in business. Try to double what works. Don't try to add something new. If you can't double what works, sure, go add something new, but you first double down on what works, always.
Nice. Thank you for laying that strategy out. So, I mean, a lot of people and video ads, like you just talked about on Facebook, well, that's now here in the Amazon world too. So, there's ways to get Amazon video ads up there too. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed that snippet of the interview I did with Ezra Firestone. He is a master of off of Amazon things like Shopify and Facebook and all that good stuff. So make sure to check him out. Now, if you need help on Amazon because you're feeling stuck on Amazon, you're stuck in the operations, or your advertising campaigns are not profitable, or whatever you need help with, so that you can free up your time to focus on those wonderful things that Ezra's talking about, like building a brand off of Amazon, then make sure to head over to turnkeyproductmanagement.com and let us know, a little bit about your business so that we can tell you how we can best help you to set you up for success and help you accomplish your goals. So thanks so much for listening, and I'll catch you on the other side.